Welcome to our second tutorial part about interior presentation. As you know, now you received a beautiful result from this, or for example, from such a, I don't know, maybe more flat color image, something like this. Now you achieved your beautiful result in VizMaker, something amazing render with high quality textures. And now let's try to replicate more interesting presentations. Sorry, I'll switch to our second image editor. Maybe now to create something like this and this. So I'll use this idea. We'll create a beautiful style hand drawing option. It's quite popular on Instagram, so you know why are you doing this. So transform, I'm simply selecting with left mouse of the click source. Transform the render into loose, a hand draw ink sketch with expressive pen strokes. Use OK, line weights, equal adjustable control, subtotal hatching. OK. That's quite difficult to read, sorry. Sorry for that. Just simply download this file, it's attached to the tutorial, and you can just open it and use for free any our prompts. Like seriously, our project's made for you. So hope to make your life easier and better. Download VizMaker and just, copy paste this prompt, it's very easy. Keep the drawing raw, artistic, if sketchy rapidly on the paper, fountain pen, maintain the pen geometry of the scene, but the lines feel spontaneous, fluid, and intentionally impressed. Okay, black, gray, white colors. Yeah, sorry for that. It's quite difficult to read. Also, as a trick, remember that you don't need to be, such a policy person. You can just make a short description in a few sentences and ask ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, or any AI support bot, and they will help you to build your prompt. So, I am here. Remember here to be an image editor. Select your source image. Put a correct prompt. Now I have here NanoBanana Pro. You can just select any engine you wish, but NanoBanana Pro is very, very good at this moment. Resolution 2K, original aspect ratio, and simply hitting make. And that's all. We'll wait a second to receive some interesting design. We have here also some presets, so not all prompts should be difficult. For example, we have here some preset prompts. We have some interesting presets like blueprint. You can hit simply blueprint. You can try mockup option. You can try axonometry option. That's not the best and not the easiest solution, because for AI it's quite interesting. It's quite a difficult task to create some beautiful presentations, but it gives you idea of your future presentation. And let's select our second option. Okay. So what do we want to get? What do we want to achieve from our NanoBanana Pro, from our AI engine? Generate 3D wall views based on provided visualization, showing each wall, accurate deeps, openings, architectural details on the same presentation board. Include axonometrical drawings of the furniture. Render is a clean technical style. Add labels describing the materials, finishes, and the key components on each furniture. Use consistent line weights and clear layouts. So wall views and future axonometry from the chosen, from the current well-organized sheet. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Simply hit make and let's wait for the result. Remember that AI is learning, and if something is not working perfectly today, it doesn't mean that it will not work, in a few days or months. Here we have some close-up of architecture mock-up model. Quite interesting. It looks very stylish. Now it looks more like a toy because of the background. Simply it's made of foam. It's quite interesting. Now we have here such a beautiful result. It's a paint option, of course. Really, really good. Really, it looks very realistic. It's even, showing you how beautiful line is finishing. Yeah, it's in real life. Here we have some technical details of the project. So yeah, it's generally just select the table to present us. It's the most obvious for the AI, I think. As you see, it's quite good. It understands a lot. It really understands now a lot. You cannot use obviously as a technical drawing, but idea of presentation and a fast concept is quite realistic. We can have here some 3D cross section, also good. It understands very, very perfectly everything. You can simply use, for example, this detail now and discuss it with your construction team. Generally you can try to think how cool you can use now such a simple images to explain some details to your customers, clients, to some guys who will build this interior. Yeah, that's the idea. Here we have some presentation. This was the more advanced, as you see. And for example, we can try as well this one. This one was also beautiful. So I am simply copy pasting it. Please download the file and do exactly the same. It will be fast and easy for you. I just wanted to show you that results are replicatable and it's easy to achieve. I'll use also this one. It looks beautiful, looks very realistic, really hand draw option, like in old, in old books about architecture and design. So simply copy pasting it. I don't want to change anything, just simply hitting make. You can also change the aspect ratio from original to square option, for example. So I'll use the same prompt as here, but with aspect ratio 1:1 and receive a new, just a new result with a new aspect ratio. And let's wait a second. So while we're waiting, I would also like to receive something like this. It looks beautiful. As well, please download the file. It's quite simple. It's quite interesting. It's quite important for you because AI is the future. Really, it's the future. So yeah, this prompt I can discuss with you, so you'll not be so bored. I'll use original aspect ratio because I'm changing here the details. So create color architectural concept sketch in expressive watercolor and ink with soft washes, warm tones, visible brush texture. Okay. Control lines, surround with the main building illustration with the small marginal sketches, technical outlines, explored mini diagrams, handwritten notes, keeping them spontaneous and slightly imperfect. It's very good word, imperfect. It helps AI to create something interesting, not perfect. Use a light cream background to unify the composition to encase and handcrafted feel. The final artwork should look cohesive, artistic, and professionally illustrated, blending watercolor atmosphere and create ink details. Remember that you can prompt at any language you wish. Like English is my fourth language, so generally you can prompt at really any language. AI will use any language the same good, so no worries. I'm simply hitting make, and we'll wait a second for the results. As you see, our results are very, very good. We received a high quality interior ideas of presentation in a few seconds. Not all of them are perfect, but check the details. Yeah, the understanding of the context is quite high. Plus, remember that it's only idea of presentation. Like simply just replace those images with your real hand drawings, and it will be very fast and easy. Like background idea, like window, like idea of study, idea of presentation helps you a lot. Simply download the file and play around with your project and see how good and how comfortable can it be. As you see, this is the same prompt, but with different aspect ratio, and we received slightly different results. It's quite interesting and quite useful. So yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. This is our latest test, so it's very, very artistic. It's very beautiful. And it helps a lot if you wish, if your client likes, or if your team likes to present ideas in this way, to accent some ideas with colors, with the painting. This is the best way you can do to make it the fastest and most efficient way. So yeah, that's how it works. And now you see how how many presentations, how many ideas you can create with VizMaker and different AI tools and tricks in just 8 minutes of this tutorial. So yeah, I wish you good luck. Remember to download this tutorial. To download this tutorial files under the description and try it for free. Hope to see you in the next tutorial and wish you good luck.